My dear students, good morning to everybody. The solutions topic we are going to discuss molality. The number of moles of solute dissolved in the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molality. Okay, molality is equal to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight into 1000 by ml volume ml. Molality, the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. So number of moles, this is same weight of the substance by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A. What is A? Weight of the solvent. What is A? Weight of the solvent. Here A is weight of the solvent. Actually kg, but if they give grams, 1000 by A we have tried. So this is molality. This is depends upon temperature. Do not depend upon temperature. Do not. Why? Here volume is there. According to Charles' law, temperature volume directly proportional to. If temperature increases, volume increases. If temperature decreases, volume decreases. In molality, the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution cheaper. So volume and term present in molality. In molality, the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. You know what is solvent? We already discussed it. Solute plus solvent. Solution. Solute, lesser quantity is called solute, higher quantity is called solvent. Okay. If you take sugar, sugar is solute. Sugar water is solvent. If you take salt water, salt is solute, solvent is water. Okay. So higher quantity, more quantity is called solvent, lesser quantity is called solute. Solute plus solvent, a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more components is called solution. Okay. So solution, this is the first term molarity. We can express concentration. Next molality, most important, depends upon temperature. Why? Here volume is there. Volume directly proportional to temperature. Here there is no volume. In molality there is no volume. 1 kg of the solvent. This is weight of the solvent A. Okay. We have converted into grams for which 1000 by A. We have converted to ml, milliliters. Ml means milliliters. So we have converted milliliters. So 1000 by A. Okay, already discussed many times. Molarity depends upon temperature. Molality independent upon temperature. Do not depend upon temperature. Please do it. The next one, yesterday I have sent some video, mole fraction. Here, solute, solvent. Solution, solute plus solvent. If you want to calculate the solute mole fraction, please listen to me. If you want to calculate the solute mole fraction, What is that? Solute mole fraction is equal to number of moles of solute by upon total moles of the solution, because in solution two components are there. One is solute, another is solvent. Sugar is solute, water is solvent. Salt is solute, water is solvent. So many solutions are there. Even sea water also solution, we have informed. So if you want solute mole fraction, MF means mole fraction, number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. This is the solute mole fraction. Solvent mole fraction, number of moles of solvent upon same number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. You please listen to me. If you want solute mole fraction, what you have to do? Number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Same. If you want mole fraction of solvent, what is that? This is solvent. So number of moles of solvent upon same number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Both are same. Denominator is same. But numerator, if you want solute, so you have mentioned solute. If you want solvent, you have mentioned solvent. So mole fraction is the ratio. Mole fraction is the, if you want solute mole fraction is the ratio between number of moles of solute to total moles of the solution. That is solute moles plus solvent moles. If you want mole fraction of the solvent, it is the ratio between number of moles of solvent to total moles of the components. Total moles what? Solute plus solvent. Okay. So if you want solute mole fraction, number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. A mixture, which components are there, you have to mention. In solution, two components are there. One is solute, another is solvent. So you have to mention. At the same time, if you want mole fraction of the solvent mole fraction, number of moles of solvent upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. In solution, two components are there. If you want one component mole fraction, the component mole fraction by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. You say this is XA, you say XB. XA, that is solute mole fraction, XB, that is solvent mole fraction, is equal to 1. Please note it, most important. Solute mole fraction plus solvent mole fraction is equal to 1. Thank you. If you want N2 plus O2, a mixture is there. If you want N2 mole fraction, number of moles of N2 upon number of moles of N2 plus number of moles of oxygen. If you want oxygen mole fraction, number of moles of N2, number of moles of oxygen upon number of moles of N2 plus number of moles of oxygen. So if you want oxygen moles of the next upon N2 plus O2, that is nitrogen moles plus oxygen moles. Thank you.